for calling KISS. This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance purposes. For technical support, say technical support. For account and billing, say billing. If you have lost your waifu, say lost waifu. If you wish to speak to a representative, say KISS please.
Yes, please. I love this song. O come care da stando, a torrentare naire, nere na tete, a trema tete, dai rari tete, dai dai tete, da turretare ta, la tete,
My name is Jack. Can I help you? Sir, can you stop singing?
I'm very sorry about that. Either way, let's get to business. Can you explain to me why you delayed the game again?
Well, you see the two first delays were on Steam side, but this one is because of our billing problem.
No, this is the fourth delay. You had a billing problem on the third.
Oh yes, we sincerely apologize and give away free $25 DLC. You can find more information on our blog.
You know how long I have waited? I bought 2 kilograms of blooper, cleared my waifu for this game, and you delay it again?
Okay, I understand your frustration, but I'd like you to hold on while I transfer you to my supervisor.
No, I'm starting to hate this song.
Due to technical difficulties, we have delayed your call. Please call us again next week.
What? You gotta be kidding me. Fucking foot delay, and what do I get is some overpriced DLC that has some LA level content. I just wanted to play blackjack with my waifu, man. Come on.